Dame i gospodo, prtljag malih dimenzija, smestite ispod sedišta ispred vas, a veće torbe u gornje police. Molimo vas da zauzmete svoje sedišta i oslobodite prolaz putnicima koji se ukrcavaju. Hvala. Ladies and gentlemen, small carry-on items must be placed under the seating point of view, while our cabin luggage must be placed in the overhead storage.
Mi očekujemo skori polazak, planirano trajanje leta je 35 do 40 minuta i očekuje nas miran let, uz moguću lovenu turbulenciju. Informacije o našoj ruti i detaljima iste javit ću vam se na visini krstarenja. Hvala. Dear passengers, very good afternoon and welcome aboard on Serbia Airbus A320 Sharklet on this flight to Belgrade. This is your captain speaking.
Vaš ručni prtljag mora biti smešten u gornje police ili ispod sedišta ispred vas. Na svim našim letovima pušenje i korišćenje elektronskih cigareta je zabranjeno.
At 7 minutes past 4 local time. I would like to thank you for choosing to fly with us, Serbia. Just a few details about the route. We are right now on Zlatibor Mountain. To this point we flew over Moročevelli, we flew over Kolašin, Vojkovac, and in front of us we will fly over Užice, Valjevo, and as I said, we have a smooth flight, and I hope that you enjoyed services of our company. One more time I would like to thank you for choosing to fly with us. Bye bye.
Kao i Etihad Guest World platnim članovima, omogućen je besplatno pristup premium salonu Air Serbije. Boravak u salonu dostupan je i ostalim putnicima kupovinom jednokratne propusnice. Više informacija na sajtu airserbia.com. Hvala. All business class and economy comfort passengers continuing their journey with our company, as well as Etihad Guest
Ladies and gentlemen, please keep your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the seatbelt sign is switched off. We kindly ask you to take care when opening the overhead stowage compartments, and please ensure that you collect all your belongings before leaving the aircraft. We hope you had a comfortable flight. On behalf of the captain and the entire crew, thank you for flying with Air Serbia, and we are looking forward to welcoming you on our flights again. For your next flight, please visit airserbia.com and follow us on social media. Thank you and goodbye.